here, and I just wanted to share something really important with you today. If you notice behind me, over here, we have a new shark product. No, not the kind that you find in the ocean. This box contains the new Shark Apex Duoclean corded stick vacuum. But people, the most important thing it has, or that it doesn't have any M. It contains 0 M. This Shark Apex Duoclean is with 0 M. That's standard, people. It's very important because we need to save the planet, because M is very dangerous. You never know where M may strike or what M may do. And congratulations to Shark for making a high quality product without that dreaded M. So make sure you all support Shark and down with the M, people. Down with the M. Rock on! Now check this out. This Shark Apex corded stick vac has more suction and unbeatable hard floor cleaning than any other Shark stick vac. That means this Shark stick vac will kick the butt of any other Shark stick vac that you may have. That means this Shark stick vac really sucks. Rock on, people. People, I missed the whole thing here. Look at this. Right on top, it says, the vacuum that deep cleans now cleans itself. This vacuum sucks itself, people. It sucks so hard, it sucks itself clean. Amazing. Would you looch me? Okay, people. You've seen it unboxed, but now we're going to show you how this Shark stick vac really sucks. So, we've got it plugged in to the wall, and we're going to test drive it on Mrs. Lucha's prized rug. She won't mind if it gets tore up a little bit, I'm sure. Don't believe it, people. She won't mind. Now then, you can see it's completely empty, people. Nothing in here, people. Nothing at all. And now we're going to let this thing loose on Mrs. Lucha's prized rug and see what kind of crap we can suck up. Whoa! Already it's a smooth transfer of power. Look at that, people. Now, just get this mental image in your head, people. How would you like the Luch to come suck your carpet personally? You can have this for only $9.99.99. And it comes with everything you see here, including a Shark stick vac that, as I can see right now, really sucks. See how it sucks? You can almost taste the suction, can't you, people? All right, now let's turn it off and see what we got in here. Look at all that crap, people. That's some crap. So as we have determined, excuse me, the Shark vac really sucks. Stay tuned for more LuchaCabres. Welcome back, people, to the Lucha Shopping Network. Today, we are offering full-service cleaning products, like the new Shark vacuum, which you've seen before. We'll also come to your house and desanitize, deodorize, and deiodorize. Is that a word? If it can be done, we'll do it, people. So call now. For only $99.99.95, you can have the Lucha Shopping Network come to your home. Call now. A little dinger gets out of hand.